In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can calculate the concentration of hydrogen ions simply from the pH. So let's look at a worked example. So what is the concentration of hydrogen ions, so your H+, in a solution with a pH of 3.67? So the first step in solving this is to rearrange the pH equation to get an expression for the hydrogen ion concentration. So our pH is given by the negative log to the base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration. Remember that those square brackets simply mean concentration. The first step in rearranging this is fairly straightforward. Multiply both sides by -1, and that gets you part of the way to rearranging for the hydrogen ion concentration. The next step is to rearrange the logarithm. So if we have a logarithm of the form y equals log b to the x, we can rearrange for this x here by simply taking the base and raising it to the power of the opposite side. And we can apply exactly the same rule to our equation here. So our base is 10, and we're going to raise that to the power of minus pH. And so we get this expression for the hydrogen ion concentration. So all we need to do now is substitute our values. So we have our new equation that gives us the concentration straight away. We simply substitute the number that we're given. So we've got 3.67 for the pH, put that number in, and then when you evaluate that by putting it into your calculator and you round it to an appropriate number of significant figures, you end up with this answer, and it's in moles per dm cubed. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and you can now calculate the hydrogen ion concentration. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe below, and thank you very much for watching.